It can be very disappointing if you get news back from your bank or your mortgage broker and they tell you you didn't qualify for your mortgage. Well, of course, that's one of the reasons why we're always telling people to get pre-approved before they get too excited about a property. So if you didn't qualify for a mortgage, there's a reason for that, and you have to look at the reason. Perhaps your credit score is poor. If your credit score is poor, you may have funds in order to buy, but no one's going to lend you any money until you fix your credit problems. So generally that means paying off certain debts before you reapply for a mortgage. Now, if your credit score is good, perhaps it's just a matter of the fact that you haven't saved enough money for your down payment. So you may have to take a break and save some more money. Now, I know if the market's going up, you look around and, quietly freak out and think, oh my goodness, we'll never be able to afford a house because the prices are going up all the time. But actually, right now, the markets tend to be softening out a little bit. So we don't see the rapid price increases that we've had over the last 10 years. We still see price increases, but I don't think we're going to see the same kind of increases that we have lately. So it's going to be a more normal market. Now, the other thing that you can do is get a partner or a guarantor. A lot of first-time buyers have a guarantor of a parent when they're buying a property. And a lot of times you see two people, perhaps they're spouses, but perhaps they're just friends, and they get together and the two of them will qualify for a mortgage, whereas one on their own would not. And lastly, the thing to remember is that you can actually pay a mortgage broker for their services to find you a mortgage. Normally, when you go to a mortgage broker, you do not pay them to arrange a mortgage. The mortgage broker is paid by the lender. But you can hire a mortgage broker for a fee to go the extra mile and to find a lender who's willing to take a little bit more risk. And they still may be able to find you that mortgage. And in that circumstance, I would only say to go that route if what it is that you're buying is increasing in value so rapidly that you want to get your foot in there and you want to get into that market right away. Now, if you have any other questions in regards to qualifying for financing, I'd be happy to help you. So please give me a call.